Hello everybody, my name is Gregg Goldfarb. I'm a civil attorney in downtown Miami, Florida. My law firm handles a variety of matters including healthcare. October 1st is a big date in the healthcare world, and it basically applies to both employers as well as individuals and employees. The October 1st deadline is one for the employer. October 1st also is the date open enrollment begins for individuals and employees. The open enrollment period will be the time in which you can look for other insurance and price it out, see what types of coverages are available, and whether you're entitled to any subsidies. The open enrollment period will be 6 months, so there is no decision that you need to make on October 1st as an employee. However, I will be providing a variety of video blogs on the different types of issues that individuals and employees will be faced with open enrollment, including if you're on Medicare, if you are a qualified beneficiary under COBRA, including if you're 27 years old and no longer on your parents' health care insurance and have to go out looking for insurance on your own, as well as a variety of other issues that are focused on specific issues. But today I want to start off by going over what the employer is required to do on October 1st or before that date. As I said before, my name is Gregg Goldfarb. My law firm is Gregg M. Goldfarb, LLP. Any of the information that you're seeing here today or throughout my blogs will be on my website, gregggoldfarb.com, as well as in the description below each of the video blogs that you see today. So just go to the blog, go below it, and you'll find the information. Today I want to focus on two topics: which employers are required to send out the notice and what the content of the notice says. In later video blogs, I will go over when the notice is to be sent, how it's to be sent, which employers are required to receive it. So which employers are required to send out this notice? Any employer that employs one person, and that could be yourself, and has gross annual sales and receipts of $500,000 or more, whether you're a hospital, school, government, or your traditional type of an employer, you are required to send out the notice. If you are within a multi-employer plan, the only question becomes who sends the notice, you, the employer, or the plan administrator. I would contact the plan administrator and see if they're going to be sending it out, and they might need some information from you if they are going to send it out. Now let's go on to the content. There are model notices at the website www.dol.gov/EBSA/health reform/index.html. Again, if you don't get this when you're going through the video blog, you can go to my website, or you can go below the video blog for this information. Now, if you do go to the model notice, there's going to be two parts, Part A and Part B. Part B has a lot of information that's going to require a lot of time for you to figure out. Part B is optional. Part A is required. If you don't want to use one of the model notices and you want to actually write it up yourself, essentially there are 6 components that you must cover in your notice. First is the existence of the marketplace. Second is how to contact the marketplace for help. Third is a description of the marketplace. Number 4 is the employee eligibility for tax credit if the employee buys health insurance through the exchange and the employer does not offer health coverage at the levels required by the Affordable Care Act. Number 5 is you have to notify the employee that the loss of an employer contribution towards the cost of an employee's health coverage. And last, you are to notify them that payment for insurance purchase in the marketplace is made on an after-tax basis. Now, some of these items here are a little tricky. You might want to contact your accountant, or you might want to contact a healthcare lawyer to go over what each of these means. Thank you very much.